Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over this Honeywell air conditioner tutorial. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got a new home and you got this Honeywell home thermostat or air conditioner installed in your new home. How do you actually go ahead and use this? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first things first, how do you actually go ahead and turn this on? So if we zoom in to our Honeywell home air conditioner and go and zoom in, you're going to see that you have a button called mode. So these buttons right over here correspond to the labels that are right above them. So if you click on mode, you can actually see that it changes to off, then it goes to heat, then it goes to cool, then it goes to off. So let me actually zoom in even more. So pressing mode is basically going to be able to turn on the heater, and then you're going to turn on the air conditioner if it says cool, and then you're going to be able to turn it off. Now the key thing is that whether you turn it on to heater or air conditioner, you can see that there's a number that's on top of the center number. The center number is how cold or what's the temperature currently within your home. So right now it's 76 degrees. And because we're setting it to cool, the top number has to be lower than the center number. So let me go ahead and repeat that again. The center number is how cold or hot your current room is, and think of the top number as your target number. So if the air conditioner is turned on, that means you want your house to be cooler. So therefore, you would press the minus button to go ahead and indicate that it's now you want it to be 74 degrees, and so therefore, your air conditioner will cool it from 76 to 74. And now you can see that the cool has been turned on. Now, contrary to that, their heater also works the same way. So if the top number is lower than the center number, then obviously the heater probably won't turn on, or it won't turn on. But if the top number is higher than the center number, then your heater is going to turn on. So notice how it says 78. That means your heater will turn on. But for demonstration purposes, we're just going to go ahead and use the air conditioner. So you can see that it's now been cooled on. But that's basically the main function of how to actually go ahead and use your Honeywell home air conditioner. In addition to that, you also have an auto fan. So if you click on fan, you can turn it on. If you click on fan auto, then the fan within your air conditioner system will automatically turn on. Use the minus and plus buttons to go ahead and set the current temperature. At any given time, anytime you press plus or minus, it's always going to change the top number. Again, recall how I mentioned that the top number is going to be your target temperature that you want your home to be set at. Now, the center button is the menu button. I don't really work in this all too much, but if you click on the center button, you can basically change the time. You can change the date. So there's not much to it as far as the center button goes. Maybe daylight savings occurs and your time is 1 hour behind. You can go ahead and click on menu, and then you can go ahead and set the time and change the time. But essentially that is it. As far as the main buttons that I usually use when it comes to using my air conditioner is I press mode. Sometimes I turn off my AC. Right now it's summertime, so I'm turning on the air conditioner. And I just like to make sure that the top number is lower than the center number and that I want my home to be 72 degrees. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I can have explained this Honeywell home air conditioner tutorial. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.